Okay, so now I want to kind of move on to talk about like how you were mentally first starting out, maybe in the middle of your whole journey, and then kind of where you're at now, and just what all of this can do for your mental health.
Yeah, I think probably the best benefit is the mental positive side of it. Not only in myself, but in a lot of the clients that I talk to, I'll call it the grumpy old man syndrome, that maybe I had or other people that have come to us have had, where your hormone levels are low. So you're tired, you don't sleep as well. So you're just sort of dragging a lot. And then that can sort of manifest in areas, relationships, work relationships, if you're tired all the time, maybe it's easier to snap at someone. If you're tired all the time, maybe you're not as friendly as you normally are. And so I think that the positive mental aspect is one of the best things that I gain from getting my health back as a result of optimizing my hormone levels. And, I don't sleep much. I probably never slept that much, but I really don't sleep that much. I think that I'm really pretty productive. I have a lot of stuff going on right now. As you know, I run Rewind. My mom is not healthy, so I take care of her quite a bit. It's a lot of time commitment, a lot of stress. And, I have all of these things going on, but, still trying to stay upbeat, still trying to have like good mental focus. And I know that if I didn't have my hormones optimized, I would in no way be able to keep up with the schedule that I have going on right now. So just like a huge boost in my life. And like I said, the productivity and happiness. And we have so many people. I mean, you've seen it now. You've been around Rewind long enough. When someone comes through the door, and they look like a different person, number one. And it's not only physical change, it's really like mental change is the biggest thing.
All over.
They come in with like big smiles, and they're like the ones that are really crushing it are excited to get on the scale, and they just feel dramatically better, and they have more confidence in life, and they're feeling better and more energy, and they're getting more work done.
Yeah, definitely.
And it's like a big boost for us. Like we could even be having sometimes, at work, we even have like stressful days. Sometimes things go wrong, packages get lost. We're always trying to like do all of these things to make sure our clients are getting the orders. And sometimes there's a storm or FedEx loses packages, and we're trying to hunt things down. So
just stress of a job. Yeah.
And then someone comes in and they're feeling fantastic, and it's like this huge mental positive boost even for us when we see people happier and just doing so well mentally and physically. So yeah, I think the mental change in a lot of people that come in is really amazing.
Yeah, yourself included.
Yeah, myself included. Now it's been 12 years. I've been doing this, like I said, for 12 years. Time has flown by, and I'm so thankful that I listened to my friend. I'm so thankful that I went to hormone clinic all those years ago, because the improvement in my health for the last 12 years, and then what I think is possible. I talked to another one of my clients who he's a little bit younger than me. But he could probably retire if he wanted to. He's had really good success. He's a trainer with a huge following, huge business. And I was asking him, like, do you ever see yourself slowing down? He's like, Brian, I feel so good. I don't know when I'm going to stop, 10, 20, 30 years. Yeah. And I feel the same way. It's nice to be able to retire, but I have no desire. I want to be doing this for a long time, and I'm nothing is going to stop me from doing that, So I think that that's just like the huge positive boost that I get from being in shape.